exceeding expectations, surpassing yourself, creating a new sound. Nothing is more complex and more satisfying. Is it about the best instruments? The power of repetition? Or is it simply a matter of luck? We think it's all about harmony and daring to find the right rhythm together. The ideal interplay between people and technology, combining years of extensive experience with new dynamics. Agile technology that you can orchestrate helps you innovate and transform. Solutions that offer more overview and comfort. We believe in the power of artificial intelligence, automation and cloud. We believe we must do things differently. That we must connect our people with your success, with your transformation, with the best IT resources. With Axions Gaia, we connect the dots.